Okay, so here we have the Cricut design space test. So now students have to do this all by themselves. They're going to open design space and create a text or design for 20 points. They're going to mirror the image for 20 points. They're going to cut the vinyl without any mistakes for another 20 points. They're going to weed the vinyl. And then they're going to place the vinyl on the tip.
But he just did. I'm pretty sure this is the wrong way.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Like, cause don't you have to cut?
Alright, so we have a student working on his test. He's weeding out the number 30. And this is going to be for the Curry, Steph Curry t-shirt. Till next time, bye.